Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Joey and this is my YouTube channel, Burtoni Motors. A place where I get to talk about cars and motorcycles, and basically if it's got wheels and an engine, probably interested, I'm probably going to talk about it. Today we've got a quick video. I am not on board, I'm standing next to my 2021 Honda CRF300L Rally, quite a long name, and I wanted to swap out the footrest, the pegs on this bike, because I want them a little more off-road focused, right? The ones that come with, they have like this nice big rubber grommet surface area. You can pop them out. They're just not as aggressive as I'd like them to do. So I picked up these Zeta ones in this dashing red, and we're gonna install them. This should be a very quick few-minute video. Hopefully it is. It should be. It should be. All right, let's jump down. I'm gonna reposition the camera and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm seeing. We're gonna get this done, Enduro boys. So when you're looking at these, they both have little like angles on where they actually connect, right? So if you would connect them where they are now, obviously this one is the wrong one. So you would assume that this one is. Look at that, it fits perfectly. So on this side, there is, let me swap the camera around so you guys can see what I'm seeing. On this side, on this little bolt right here, there's a pin. We're gonna have to bend that pin so we can get it through. So that's exactly what we're gonna do first. Hopefully we can do this without breaking it. Small movements. Same thing on this side. Got that pin out. There's a washer only on this side. And just push this through. And on this side. Easy peasy. And also I want to weigh this. That just kind of sits in. There's a hole in here. Goes. Oh, that's like real simple. Okay. Way more traction on this, that's for sure. I think this could come off. Yeah. Oh, it's like bolted on. Never really been a weight weenie, but I'm interested to see what it's going to be. So this is 309 grams. 167 grams. Oh, that's gonna look good. See this metal dial? Not dial. This spring. Is there a motorcycle here? Oh, Ian's here. This is gonna be much more difficult to get this in here. I'm gonna do that first before we get the spring in. Let's see. There we go. Slide that pin through. So the spring sits there. We want to basically push that in to this little indentation within the frame itself. Might be easier just to do it that way. Yeah, let's do it that way. Let's get that through. Oh no, it's something gotta go on top. Oh, there we go. Take that washer and that clip. Oh, that hurt. So this side's done. Let's jump over to the left side. So that's it, right? It probably took me 20 minutes, and part of that 20 minutes was I got a boo-boo and I had to go run it underneath some cold water. That's all it is, guys. It looks so much better. It's so much stronger. Look at this tread. We're gonna ruin some dress shoes, but we're gonna have all of the grip when we go out in the dirt with the boots. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, if you like the CRF300 Rally, a lot of videos are happening over the next few weeks, few months, maybe even few years. Appreciate you guys for watching this far. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. Burtoni Motors is out.